You can now collect thousands of ESRS data points without reading a single document with artificial intelligence. So the European Financial Reporting Advisory Group has published this huge Excel file with over 1,000 data points to be collected for ESRS disclosures. The European Sustainability Reporting Standards, or ESRS, are standards that define the rules of the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, the CSRD. The data points list, which can be downloaded directly as an Excel file from the EFRAG website, is a useful tool when implementing the new standards, conducting a gap analysis, or performing an audit. The file lists over 1,000 data points, which cover a variety of ESG information, ranging from qualitative to quantitative data points. In spite of the EFRAG simplification efforts, going through all of these data points can be extremely overwhelming and time-consuming. But with Briink, you can actually do it in minutes. With Brink's ESG questionnaire assistant, you can simply select the correct template, for example, the E1 ESRS data points list, upload your documents such as reports, PDFs, etc., and boom, done. The tool will use evidence present in your documents to actually generate all of the data points you need in minutes compared to days. The tool provides source references so that you can always go back to the document and check the results provided. And you can also export your final assessment as an XLS or CSV file. You can find more information about our tools and pricing on our website, briink.com, or you can also actually try some of these tools for free, including the template for the ESRS E1 data points at platform.briink.com. Just navigate to ESG Questionnaire Assistant and select the ESRS E1 public template.